Hey, welcome to Nice-CoDay PPT presentation. I, myself Sunevar, with my teammates Rishi Balapure and Manish are really excited to work upon this project. This project briefly describes as the electric vehicle charging stations and the analysis upon the data. So, working on this project, it was really important that we implement the agile principles. In this problem, understanding and designing was more important than the development part. The problem as a whole looked like a very difficult problem for us, but simply breaking down the problem into small steps made this problem as a solvable problem. We used Jira as our project management tool, which helped us to collaborate and also distribute the tasks among ourselves. We really maintained the good coding practices here. Java being one of the most prominent object-oriented language, we made sure that all the classes and interfaces are properly maintained, and we make use of separate classes for different implementations. Next was the use of clean coding practices. Java has strict naming conventions, and also the code needs to be readable and maintainable. So all these methods are being kept, making the code as sweet and simple as possible. Efficient use of data structure was also important here. We really used hash maps and array very efficiently as per the requirements. And the next part was the test driven approach, where unit tests were developed for each and every point so that we could develop the code which could handle all possible cases. Last but not the least was the version control with the help of GitHub so that we could collaborate efficiently. The implementation part included two main phases. First was the designing and then the development. And designing phase, we list down all the important aspects that we must focus upon and decided what algorithms we must use. In the part of implementation, we used the Java programming language to develop our solution. These are the links and important links for our project. Now, if we move towards the project management tool, we use the Jira project management tool, which help us to briefly describe all the tasks and where we distributed the task and manage the task so that we could effectively collaborate. This made our progress and contribution really easy. The next part was use of GitHub. GitHub allowed us to collaborate in software part where we pushed all our changes and managed the conflicts and also the commits. This file also includes, or the GitHub also includes, a README file which contains the basic data, so a third user could easily use our program and it's ready for knowledge transfer. The last part is the implementation or the actual work in this project. We have made the use of proper coding practices, and we can also see in the unit test cases all the given test cases work in very fine way. Thank you.